Hello everyone, myself Dr. Amit Maheshwari. I am MBBS and MD and I am faculty of biochemistry. First of all, I want to thank all the students for showing immense faith and supporting us. Without your support, we were not able to reach at this stage. Today is the time for which all of us were working so hard for the last 45 days. Yes, you guessed it right. Today we are going to launch our brainchild, NExTSUS Empowering Medicos. So before going ahead, I want to share the story behind developing the NExTSUS and why NExTSUS is different from others. So idea behind developing this came in mind when NMC announced that next PG exam is going to replace the NEET PG exam. And currently, whatever the online platforms are available in the market, they are tailored as per the NEET PG exam. They are not tailored as per the next PG exam. Secondly, in 2019, NMC has introduced CBME curriculum for the MBBS. CBME curriculum is the competency-based medical education. And all the MBBS students, they watch the videos which are prepared for the NEET PG aspirants, which are not prepared as per the CBME curriculum. Thirdly, whatever the information available on the internet, it is very scattered. There is a different app for the practicals, there is a different app for the physiology, there is a different app for the surgery. On NExTSUS, you will get everything under one roof. That is video tutorials, practical demonstration, case-based discussion, question-answer discussion, and many more other things. So in short, I can say that NExTSUS is the one-stop solution for the medical education. In the NExTSUS, we are total 6 faculties, 3 faculties from the preclinical subjects and 3 faculties from the paraclinical subjects. And that's how we are going to help you in the preparation of the next step 1. And in the future, we are also going to hire the faculty for the clinical subjects as well. So now I will not take much footage and I will introduce my faculties one by one. So I will start with the first year faculties first. So I will introduce Dr. Sachin Patil sir, faculty of anatomy. So sir, please give your brief introduction.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Sachin Patil, MBBS MD Anatomy. I have more than 9-year experience in teaching anatomy. I will be the faculty of anatomy in NExTSUS. Thank you.
Now I will introduce Dr. Jitendra Patel sir from the physiology.
Thank you, Dr. Amit. Myself, Dr. Jitendra Patel. I am the faculty of the physiology, and I have done MBBS and MD in physiology, and the teaching experience I have for UG and PG more than 10 years. Thank you.
Now I will introduce faculty of paraclinical subjects. I will start with the pharmacology first. Dr. Tejas sir, please give your brief introduction.
Hello friends, myself Dr. Tejas Kakkar. I am MBBS MD in pharmacology. I am faculty of this subject at NExTSUS. I have teaching experience of UG and PG since last more than 9 years. I welcome you all to the new voyage of NExTSUS. Thank you.
Now I will introduce faculty of microbiology, Dr. Jigar sir.
Thank you, Dr. Amit. Myself, Dr. Jigar Gusani. I am MBBS and MD microbiology. I have been teaching this microbiology subject in medical institution more than 10 years. And I welcome all of you on this great journey called NExTSUS.
Now I will introduce Dr. Parth sir, faculty of pathology.
Myself, Dr. Parth Goswami. First of all, I welcome all of you to the NExTSUS. I have done the MBBS and the MD in the pathology, and I am having more than 7 years of teaching experience. So thank you. Over to you, Dr. Amit.
Now I will ask Dr. Parth sir to show how to download the apps and what are the features of the app. Over to you, Dr. Parth.
Okay. All right. Thank you. So first of all, you have to open the Play Store. In the Play Store, we need to write down the name of our application, that is the NExTSUS. You have to open it. And for the first time, when you install the application, the phone number is required. So it's the OTP based installation. So after installing the app, you have to open it. And after open it, you can see a different sections available here. First of all, here the free content is available. Watch video, and the study materials, these two are the free content available in this particular application. For example, if I click on the watch video, then you can see all freely available videos herewith. Second, study material, all the study materials available herewith in this section. Now, near to study material, practice now option is available, which is also free content. You can do your assessment by attending this particular test, right? So free test will be available herewith. And suppose you feel the bore, then you can play the game as well herewith. All right. Now, if you scroll down, here you can see a store section, right? So all the paid course is available in the store section, which will be explained in the detail by Dr. Jigar sir. And near to the store section, the chat option is available via which the student can do the chat with faculties, right? And at the topmost, the Telegram group and the email option is available. Suppose any student want to contact via email, then they can do the email herewith. And the most interesting feature is Telegram group, right? All the students can join the Telegram group that is created by us. See, this is our Telegram group in which we are daily putting and high yield facts, golden points, daily dose of medicines, and the problem and case solving MCQs, right? We are putting all the standard MCQ, keeping in mind CBME curriculum, right? So you can join that group as well. All right. And meanwhile, the link for the downloading the application is given in the description section. So that's all about the interface of this particular application. Now I will request Dr. Jigar sir to kindly explain the detail about the paid course, right? So over to you, Dr. Jigar sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Path.
Yeah, you can explain.
Okay. Yeah. So let us start and see how the courses will appear on the NExTSUS app. When you click this application, it will lead you to the home page of this application. On the home page, on the lower side, you will have the option called Store. So when you click this option, all the courses will appear. There are total 8 courses, 6 individual courses of first and second MBBS, and there are 2 combo courses. One for first professional year of MBBS courses and second is for second MBBS courses. Okay, now let us have a look at one course. So I have clicked on the pathology course. So once you click on it, the overview will appear, right? The duration will be displayed. So how much is the validity of the course once you subscribe it, right? And this is mentioned here that the certificate is available once you complete the course. The content summary is given, like how many videos, how many files, how many notes, and how many tests are available, right? So the faculty will regularly take the live classes as well as the pre-recorded classes will be there. The tests will be taken regularly. Also, there is free content available, which you can avail freely without the subscription. Also, there is a nice feature that if you have any doubt, anytime, you can talk to your faculty via this talk to tutor option. And dear student, the most exciting part of this course is we are offering this course, individual course, at a great discount. For example, this pathology course, the original price is 400, but we are offering at a nice discount. And the course is available right now at 2,200 rupees only. And for that, you have to just click on the buy now and follow the simple step and get the subscription. So I request all of you not to miss this opportunity. On the right tab, there is a content tab and you can watch all the videos and files and the tests. Okay, so that was regarding the individual course. Now let us have a look at the combo course. So I have clicked on the second professional MBBS combo course, which includes pharmacology, microbiology, and pathology. Everything else is similar. The duration, the preview, certification, and the content summary. Okay. Now, again, the exciting part is The course original price for the combo course is 9,000. However, for the launch offer, we are giving almost more than 3,000 discount, and the course combo course is available at the rupees 6,000. Okay, so all the contents are available under this content tab. And dear student, you can download the app in the link given in the description box. Thank you all of you. See you on the NExTSUS. Over to you, Dr. Amit.
Thank you, Dr. Jigar. So as they said that you can download the app from the link given in the description box. So please download the app, share with your friends, and give your valuable suggestions. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.